What it do, y'all? It's your boy Jay Jones, aka iPhone Jones, aka Everything Jones, and I'm here today with the unboxing and reboxing of a DJI product, which is my Osmo Mobile 3. Now, if y'all don't know, iPhone Jones, I've been using the Osmo Mobile 2 for maybe close to 2 years now, I think. So I got this, was very excited about it. I was able to use the Osmo Mobile 1, which made me be like, okay, I'm getting this. And then the 2 came out, so I was like, all right, let me just get that. Love the features. I love how convenient it has been. You see I have the base on here that I use a lot. I had some other parts, but I was back home on a trip in Oakland. Everything got stolen, but I have my Osmo in its base. So I didn't replace the other parts because this was enough for me. It was the tripod, and then there was another tripod mount that I had. It's like the metal one. It's the really cool looking one, but I just stuck with this one. It's all good. This new one came out, and I was like, let me upgrade. Love DJI products, so I went to the DJI of Arizona authorized dealer to get this one. So, sorry, let me get my orange out of the way. So let's go ahead and unbox this and make it happen. Come on, receipt. Boom. Boom. And for this one, so I got this. It's the Osmo Mobile 3 combo, the combo pack. So I'm gonna tell you everything that comes with the combo pack, and we're gonna unbox it and rebox it because that's what we do. Real quick, let me just tell y'all. So I paid for this. It was $158 as normal. I had a discount. I got it for $129 at the time, and they got I had another accessory discount on my DJI app, so I got this in total for $147.38, and that discount was on my the Carry Fresh. Let's get that out of the way. Boom. And I don't have an official unboxing knife. Gotta get one. So we're gonna use my car key because I don't think it's gonna let me down. So I'm gonna look for the little gap. And this is harder than I wanted it to be. There it is. Got that. All right. Put the key down. Boom. And crazy enough, I bought this back in December, but I've been super busy and just haven't made this a priority to unbox this. And I'm still getting good footage with my Osmo Mobile 2. So, boom. Got all that off of there. Let's get that out of the way. Boom. Osmo Mobile 3 combo. You know, all of these fresh boxes. So included with the combo, looks like we get the Osmo Mobile 3. You get a carrying case. I get the Osmo Grip tripod, power cable, storage pouch, and a wrist strap, which I never used the wrist straps, but I think I want to try using it. There was times with that one when I wanted to get a wrist strap, the Osmo Mobile 2, and then I was just like, let's not. So this thing is packaged up tight. There we go, the plastic, and let's open him up. DJI be having fresh packaging. Ooh. So this is the carrying case. Oh, I thought it was gonna be gray like my I thought it was gonna be gray like the Mavic Mini, but you see it's a lot darker. Oh wow, I like this color. They should put the Mavic Minis in this color. Okay. So we got that, and boom, just those two things in the box, real easy. Set that off to the side, and let's see what we got in here. We have the cable. We also have, oh, there's something else in there. This looks like the wrist strap. This is the carrying pouch. This to be convenient if you don't want to put it back in the case, then you have the pouch. This is nice and soft. That's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, it's like an upgraded Crown Royal bag. I'm talking about. Let's see what else we got up in this G thing. Oh, these are for grip. Maybe I'm gonna figure that out. This is the tripod mount. Boom. Signature DJI on there, all around. Okay, I like that. And that is everything in there. And we have some instructions. How do I be smarter than the object with which you are working? So we go ahead and open that up. Boom. And we have the Osmo Mobile 3 instructions. We have a guarantee about the warranty and some more quick tips about the Osmo Mobile 3 in various languages, disclaimer, warning, glossary, caution, safety guidelines, and different things like that. So, boom. So that's everything that comes with it. And now let's open this thing up. Oh, yeah. Let's get the little stuff out of here. That's dangerous. Ooh, this is a very nice case. Soft, compact. This is amazing. Let me get that off in here. Oh man, this thing. Oh, and it feels so light. Okay, wait. Let me take this mount off of here. Oh, it's even lighter than the Osmo Mobile 2, because Osmo Mobile 2 is lighter than the 1. And I guess it makes sense that the 3 is going to be lighter than the 2. But look at that. When it's folded down, very compact. Very cool. Oh, man. I like the way the buttons change. Oh, they have the trigger back on here. That is dope. Let's fold this. Let me put that down. So sorry. Let's fold this. Oh, okay, that's convenient. And boom. And that flips. Oh, okay. And the guy at the store was telling me to, when you put it in here, to line it up. And there's arrows showing you where the camera should go. So we pointed, so the camera should be on this side. Oh, these are really nice release. Very smooth. I like this. This is really cool. Has the trigger on there. Says dope. Needs to charge it up. So I haven't. It's my first time unboxing it. It still has the charger on there, so I can charge up different things while I'm out. And they said the battery life is 12 to 15 hours on this, so that's really good. Because I find myself charging it like every 2 or 3 days on Osmo Mobile 2, so it should be about the same thing on there every 2 or 3 days, or depending on how much I'm using it, how much I'm shooting, but really every 2 or 3 days. This is really cool. I like this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Oh, so this is just the unboxing and reboxing, and then we're going to do a full review after I'm using this for about a week, maybe 2 weeks. So we're gonna start using this today. Oh, this is dope. Yes. Oh, I'm so glad I finally opened this. Oh, the rotation on there. Okay. I cannot wait to use this thing. So super convenient with this folding design. What? That is so tight. So we put it back in place. So we unboxed it. Now we have to rebox it. Dope. Let's go. Ooh, and I can put stuff in here. Man, DJI know what they're doing. All right. This is super convenient. I am very excited to use this thing. I'm gonna read through these instructions because I'm one of those people that read through the directions. Yes, I am, to make sure I know exactly what I'm doing. I want to figure out what these things are for. And there's the wrist strap. That. The power cord, which I'm going to actually use that to charge this. Oh my gosh. You know I'm gonna have this stuff in this bag forever because I was trying not to have stuff get messed up or dirty. We're gonna see how long it lasts. Get this back in here. It's working. Billy, it ain't working. Tell me if you know what that's from. Boom, I think we got it. Wait, that thing has to be out. Boom, nice and secure. Oh, wait. Alright, I unboxed it, now I'm relaunching it. So, the Osmo Mobile 3 has a lot of new features. I set a timer for myself, let me stop it. Alright, so the Osmo Mobile 3 has a lot of new features that I'm excited to use. Like I said, I'm going to do a review after using this for about a week, maybe 2 weeks, just to get a full in-depth use and experience. Get some full in-depth experience with it. And let's put it back in the box to complete the reboxing, as we have unboxed. Rebox and post. There. There. Oh wait, hold on. It's not closing up. That's the wrong side. I think that's the wrong side. There we go. Boom, there we go. DJI Osmo Mobile 3 unboxed, reboxed, and this is the combo pack. So once again, it came with the Osmo Mobile 3, the Osmo carrying case, the Osmo grip tripod, the power cable, the storage pouch, and the wrist strap. And boom, there's an app that you use on here. Is DJI Mimo, a new app that you have to download. Not using the DJI Go. What was it, Go or Go 4? One of those things would Go. Not using that one that I was using with Osmo Mobile 2. So yeah, and I have Osmo Shield. So this should be really cool though. I am excited to use this. So we're gonna charge it up and we're gonna get out in the field with this. Boom. Appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, rock with your boy. Ive Jones. I'm just trying to be more creative, get my skills up, and this is definitely going to help. I'm just excited about the Black Panther twisting camera moving shot. I saw some videos about that, and I was like, oh, I can't wait. So we're going to have some fun with this. So yeah, man, this is the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. I am Jay Jones, aka iPhone Jones, aka Everything Jones, and I'm keeping my voice down because with this coronavirus thing going on, a lot of my people are working from home, so they're sleeping right now, or like all of my Nani works from home, but she's chilling right now on her lunch break. She always takes a nap on her lunch break, and then our brother works nights, his girl works nights, so we're just keeping it low key. But and I work too nights, so we're all resting. But I was like, let me just do this while the house is quiet, and I'm glad we got it done. So I'm excited to send y'all or to show y'all some videos with me using this and to do a review for this in about 2 weeks. So y'all be safe out there, wash your hands, try not to touch your face a lot, try to practice social distancing, but don't panic. Don't be as scared as some people are trying to make you. Yeah, so I will see y'all in a couple weeks with the review for this, and keep rocking back for the unboxing and reboxings. Appreciate y'all. Let me know if I'm missing something. Let me know if it's something that you want to see more or see less of. If it's me, sorry, you gotta see me. So y'all know what I say, man. CIE, yeah, that's my movement. Confidence is everything. Y'all know what else it is, man. Keep your ears to the streets. Your eyes on your homies. Your heart with God. You will never go wrong. I am Jay Jones, aka iPhone Jones, aka Everything Jones, and I'm out.